Hey, John from Club Clean here. We're here on the set of our new commercial. If you haven't seen it yet, go to clubcleanin.com. That's clubcleanin.com to check it out. I know running a club can be stressful, so I thought I'd share these bloopers with you and give you an opportunity to laugh with me. Missed the spot. No way we bore you with how we serve it.
Following the boss. Where will he lead us next? Oh my gosh!
We keep house, you keep members. We keep house, you keep members. We keep house, you keep members. So yeah, as you can probably tell, we're not professional filmmakers or actors or anything like that. But that's because we haven't focused on trying to do everything well. It's because we focused on doing one thing well, and that's keep your club clean. So if you're an executive director or a facilities director or something along those lines, we'd love an opportunity to hear about your pain and frustration and craft a solution that's just right for you. Go to clubcleanin.com, that's clubcleanin.com, and you can schedule a walkthrough or a phone call with us. We can't wait to hear from you.